In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt with Notion in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a productivity enthusiast looking to streamline your workflow or someone who's just exploring the magic of integrating AI with organizational tools, this guide is tailored for you. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to head over to Notion. Open your browser and navigate to the Notion webpage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on familiar territory, your Notion dashboard. Now, if you're new to Notion, don't worry. These steps are straightforward and easy to follow. Great. Now let's focus on the top right corner, where you'll spot the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to more options and settings to personalize your Notion experience. Within the Settings menu, look for the Connections tab. It's usually nestled among various other options designed to offer integrations and enhancements. Click on Connections. Here, you'll uncover a world of possibilities as Notion allows you to integrate with a host of other applications to amplify its functionality. At this point, you should see an array of apps you can explore and connect with. Scroll through the options until you find Chatgpt. This is where the magic happens. Chatgpt, in combination with Notion, can help you supercharge your productivity by generating ideas, summarizing notes, and much more. Once you've located the Chatgpt option, it's time to click on the Chatgpt Connect button. Doing this will initiate the connection process between Chatgpt and your Notion account. This step sets the foundation for seamless interactions between the two platforms. Pay attention to the on-screen instructions that appear next. These prompts will guide you through the process of linking your Chatgpt account with Notion. Take a moment to carefully follow each instruction, as they ensure a smooth and effective integration. During this process, you might encounter notifications alerting you that Chatgpt is requesting authorization to connect with Notion. This is a standard procedure which ensures that both platforms can effectively communicate with each other. Feel free to click Accept on these notifications to confirm the authorization, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully connected Chatgpt to Notion. Now, you can start enjoying the integration and see how it complements your work routine. Whether it's drafting, brainstorming, or organizing, the synergy between Chatgpt and Notion will undoubtedly enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Until next time, happy organizing and enjoy exploring the power of Chatgpt with Notion.